All right, here we are doing a prep wash on the Supra. You can see that we start with a high quality foam soap here. And this is going to help lift way more dirt than just a regular car soap would. You can see we're putting it on in every single section. Make sure that it really gets in there deep and deep cleans. We also put it on the wheels as well, in addition to doing an iron remover and an all-purpose cleaner as well. And here we are scrubbing the wheels and the tires, making sure that they look really nice and clean. Of course, some of our customers like to get our ceramic wheel coatings as well. And with our ceramic wheel coatings, the wheels have to be extremely clean before we can put the ceramic wheel coating on. Now we're doing a high pressure rinse. We use heated water here. That provides a much better cleaning result than just using cold water. And then we're doing a hand wash as well, paying special attention to all the seams and the cracks. This is because later on we're going to get in and put a coating over those pieces too. You can see we take a brush as needed and brush into small areas. Cars are already looking a lot better. Now we're doing our clay treatment. What the clay is designed to do is remove things that just doing the wash does not do. It removes things like metallic fallout, brake dust, rail dust, and embedded contaminants that are stuck inside the pores of the paint. The only way to actually remove that is by using these clay mitts. Unfortunately, when we do a clay treatment on any vehicle, it can put some marks into the car. And so that's a big part of why we always do a polish after we do this. And this is so that we can actually remove some of the marks that are caused by doing the clay treatment. Here we are now drying the vehicle off. You can see we're using a blower in addition to a specialty microfiber towel. This leaves behind no lint, no streaks. Now we're getting into doing the machine polishing in the vehicle. This particular car got a one-stage paint correction. You can see that we're going over it nice and slow to make sure we get the best possible one-stage correction we can get. Getting into all the edges and spending extra time as necessary to ensure we bring out that nice deep shine. This also cleans the paint even further too in preparation for ceramic coating, so that the pores of the paint are absolutely pristine. Now the car is really glowing. Here we are doing some of our prep solvents as well. What this does, it removes any of the polishing oils that were left in the vehicle as a result of doing that machine polishing step. This way, when we put the coating on, we're putting it on nothing but nice, fresh, clean paint. Here we are applying our mid-tier coating. As you can see, we can do it in bigger sections because this coating doesn't have quite the same characteristics as our top tier coating, but on a classic car like this that's not being driven very often, it does give a stellar result: shine, gloss, and easy clean. You can see we also get up in the lights as well. We also machine polished all the lights. That's why the lights have that nice crisp glow to them now. We also clean out the cracks too to make sure there's absolutely nothing inside the cracks. And here's the after shots. Just look at the glow and the shine on this thing. No need to wax the vehicle in the future. For a 1980s vehicle, it looks better than brand spanking new in terms of shine. As always, if you want to get yours done, you know where to call us: 920-450-2085.